I'm Sean. This is Kenny. And we are two broke hillbillies. Is that what we're
Yeah, I
going
guess
with?
we can be two broke hillbillies
In a broke-ass garage.
in our broke-ass garage. And on today's episode of Things That Are Not Right with the World, we were working on this broke-ass Explorer.
Yes, broke-ass Ford. Sorry for you Ford fans out there. We don't mind Fords. They are four-letter words, which are fun in every dictionary in the book. But we're going to attempt to lift this Ford Explorer, the 2010 Ford Explorer, 3 inches. What's the name of the company we're using? Boy, that's bad.
I can't read the sticker from here.
Supreme suspension.
Supreme Suspension. Thank you, Supreme Suspension.
It's not something I'd recommend for somebody to do that doesn't know what they're doing, I'll tell you that.
No, don't do that. If you're not mechanically inclined, I don't think you should work on anything if you're not mechanically inclined.
Yeah, sell your tools, go find a trained professional.
Yes, get Lincoln logs, build little huts in your house.
Oh, this is going bad.
Well, I guess we're gonna get into doing what we need to do. Get this thing lifted.
Yeah, whatever you just said.
Talk like a trucker.
There you go.
Swear like a hooker. Don't get old. Your memory is the first thing to go.
In fact,
All right.
we'll probably harass the camera guy.
Yeah, because it's so fun to harass me all the time.
Sure.
So don't be surprised to put your earpiece on and there's peanut butter in it. This is my job. I just sit here and be useless until I'm needed. Don't look at me.
Okay.
I'm not on film.
You looking at cameraman? Hey, stop that.
Mo Green is afraid of the camera.
I got nothing, cameraman.
I'm losing my brain. Somebody please find one and email it to me. Now there's less stuff here.
I might have to let that control arm down to get it in.
Oh,
There's Jack holding it up.
don't pinch it. I would rather drive a Toyota. What'd you do? Sell it for crack rock?
I might have.
Oh, come on now. You didn't share? You know, sharing is caring, bro.
I don't care that much on Tuesdays.
Well, it's Thursday.
I still don't care that much.
Okay, fine. Oh,
It is cool out here. I'm here.
Oh.
is the camera guy melting? Well,
Geez, you give the camera guy a Slurpee and he still complains. I mean, we did make him buy his own and everything, so.
get him a White Claw.
I mean, that took up my whole paycheck for the week, so.
I know,
We made
right?
like a whole $1.85.
Yeah.
That was before taxes. Don't forget, our governor likes to tax us hard.
True.
Oh, political statement. You shouldn't be making those.
What political statement?
Exactly.
Our governor's a douchebag. I don't care.
Well, at this point in time, the lead mechanic is going to tell us how he really feels about things in life. Don't hold anything back now. Get in touch with your inner feelings, okay?
My inner feelings. Do we really want to go into my inner feelings? I don't know. Let's see if I can break this Ford first. Ow! That was my knuckles. I just punched a Ford. Anytime, compressor.
Hold on, let me convince him it wants to work. Ooh, this may be a problem.
What?
Somebody unplugged the compressor. Let's try the alternate compressor. Here. Try alternate compressor. Will this fit?
You know, it's pretty sad when you tighten it up and you can't get it off.
Well, maybe you shouldn't use Gorilla on and wimp off. Try going the other way.
Wow! Woohoo!
And this crap, kids, is why you should get a college education.
What? Hey, who? Huh? I went to Specs Howard.
I'm a certified DJ. That's
I'm
why
a
I work on
certified
cars.
dummy.
Hey, this is what 4 years of business school got me.
Oh, that was bad, Sean.
Oh, what you going to do now?
I put the bolt in all the way. I got to back it out so I can put the retainer on the other side. Forcing me to use hand tools. I don't know. I'm going to have to
Go
rethink
grab
this.
the electric one out of the house.
Let's give it that, should we call it redneck spec?
Oh, I call that German spec. That's good and tight.
Good and tight.
Yes.
Good and tight.
I'd say it's good and tight.
Why has it got to be all heavy? Can't anything be light anymore?
Want me to put the control arm back in?
You want to do that before this?
Don't matter. I mean, what do you think's going to be easier?
I'd try go ahead and throw the control arm in. And then we'll throw the knuckle and jack it up. Put it back together.
You're going to throw up a jacket.
Okay.
It's going to be like a Mackinac jacket or, you know, like a Carhartt.
How about a Wilson's leather jacket?
Whatever you feel like hurling up, I mean, have at it.
Well, you know, if I'm going to hurl, I might as well go big.
You know what me and the other kids say, go big or go home.
Yeah. I think I might find a little power for that compressor so we can finish up this side anyways. There's that
Probably shine it in from the top. That way I can see if I got witness marks from where I painted.
better?
Yeah, close enough.
Well, got my flashlight if you want it. Here. Ow! You know, should we leave that loose to set camber?
Well, that's what I did the paint marks on it for.
Well, I mean, yeah, because with this lift, it's going to be cambered in the front.
Well, we might leave it loose for a little bit then. I at least need to get it hung.
Right. Just get it hung, and then we got a pendulum and some string.
Oh, now you're asking complicated questions.
The autofocus on this camera is funny because when there's no face, it tries to focus on like elbows and shit. It sees skin anywhere and tries to focus.
What is it, one of them pornography cameras?
Yeah.
Bow, chicka, wah, wah.
Great. Camera guy's a dirty old bastard.
Absolutely.
He's on Pornhub once a night.
Once?
Well, yeah, once you start,
Joke's on you.
you stop when you're done.
Right.
Oh, so once just means the entire night.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Once
Means you don't close out the window until the night is over.
Right.
Or you wake up and close it out in the morning.
Right.
If you expect me to start rave dancing, I will help you with tools. Anytime you do this expensive amount of front end work, you should get an alignment.
Right.
And remember, kids, stay in school. Save you from having to work on broken crap like this.
All right. Don't be too broke hillbillies. Even though we're
we
not
do kind
potato
of look like
farmers.
hillbillies right now.
Yeah.
Okay, douche swizzle. What do we do next?
I can put the. You want me to put the ball? The spindle back in.
Oh shit.
Do we need to
Here,
try to
here,
pick it up with a jack? The control arm?
Look at this. I got to clean the camera
Okay.
guy's crap.
Oh, what are you going to do now?
He tried to dip his thing in the oil.
Well, that's what happens when camera guy has to bring his own equipment. He dips it in oil.
Well, you
Well, it's his equipment. He can dip it wherever he wants.
Right.
Oh,
That's what
that's
I keep telling her.
Is that going back to Pornhub again?
I believe so. We're not
Dipping-
affiliated with those people, so don't take it seriously.
You want to put it in?
I'm just contemplating on what I should do next.
Well,
I want to scratch my
shall we
watch.
talk about the alternate wilderness?
No, let's not go there. I'm not feeling very outdoorsy right now.
Oh, so you don't want to hang out with the munchkins in the woods?
No. Holy crap, who made this thing so freaking heavy?
All right.
Might need an extra pair of hands here.
Where would you like them at?
In my butt.
Back to Pornhub.
Oh boy. Goddamn cameraman, he keeps wanting to go in one direction.
Hey, you asked him to put his hands in your butt. That wasn't me.
Do you want me to hold up and put the nut on? Or you want to hold it up and I'll put the nut on?
Oh boy.
Oh, here, I'll get a hold of it. You just nut it up. I mean, if we're going that direction, let's go completely wrong.
Nuts, all right. Hang on, hang on. It's in the hole, but it's crooked. That's what she said.
Yeah, Sean. Pump it. Pump it.
You dirty jerk, stay there. This jack is not very nice. It's not friendly, Jack. I don't even know if I can get it under there. No, can you pick up on a little bit?
Go ahead.
Okay. Let me get some power to that compressor real quick. Oh, this is the key to our compressor.
Oh.
2 broke hillbillies. Oh, not that long. Didn't he say fairly long?
No.
Too long?
What, it decided it was no longer charged?
Yeah, it just died.
No. Oh, good. It'll be ready by the time we do the back half.
Yeah. Oh my God!
What?
There's 8,000 holes on the side of the spindle, and only one has threads.
Well, that's a cost-saving measure. The less threads they have to cut, the less tooling they have to buy.
How many ratchets do I need?
3. In this case, is why you should always take your mechanic to the petting zoo before you turn them loose.
Don't worry about them extra bolts, Becky.
What did those hold on?
I don't know. Went to the old ball joints.
Oh, okay. Like, those are kind of big. They might hold something important on. I haven't had this much fun since that time in 1968 when I got kicked in the face by a horse. That's all I got.
Well, in 68, I was a little sperm inside my daddy-o's ball sack.
Later on, the camera guy's going to throw an editorial in and he's going to go, these guys are morons. Don't do anything that they do. And don't try any of this crap at home.
How the heck did the 19 get there?
I don't know. Am I going to look at my sockets later and go, what happened?
No, I put them in order.
Oh, all right, well, maybe I did it then.
All right, 67 hours later. So 67 hours for 2 inches. That's what she said.
All the parts are gone on this side.
Except for them 2 extra bolts, I don't know where they went.
I don't want to do those kind of films.
That's what all my victims say.
It'd be kind of funny.
Is that what they're calling your stars now, victims?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, ain't that just rotten.
Huh.
Somebody changed the tie rod over here. Dadgum 'em.
Have they?
Yep, it's got a cotter key. Make my life miserable. You know, safety is overrated.
Oh.
That side's done over there. Oh wow, yeah, this one's gonna come right out of here. Something much prettier than what we're doing now.
What's that?
E36 BMW.
Oh.
That'll be coming in a week or 2. Logistic reinforcement kit. So we can stash an LS4 in that son of a gun. Really go fast. Because you know, BMW motors don't go all that fast. They kind of like pop pistons and stuff when you put too much boost to them. Oh, you sucker. Oh.
Well, that's interesting. You probably want that in there.
What's it for?
So when it's got pressure on it, it'll still spin.
Oh, damn. Call me a mechanical genius. This tool was not designed for one person.
No. Holy stuck pieces of crap. Give me a torch. I'll get it moved.
Shit.
Stripped her out.
The vise?
No.
The press?
Ball joint pressure. It's fucking rusty. Unless it wants to be simple. think the title of this video should be Two Broke Hillbillies Show You How Not to Do It. Ooh, look at that bruise. Ooh. Yep. Makes for a good day. I'm not going to sleep very good tonight.
This garage manager, Huey. You got a mosquito in your head, buddy. He's having a dog emergency. Go see what he needs.
Could you slap Sean while you're out here?
Okay, come here.
Yeah, it's the only time I'm happy I wear glasses.
Well, you know, we got our Corona shields.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You can't fit a full wrench in there. Who designed this garbage? You don't want to touch me. I got powder all over me, buddy. I'm sorry. I'd give you a hug, but I can't.
Come here, little dude.
Okay, so today we're going to finish the lift that we started on the Ford Explorer. The front end is all done. Today we're going to get into the rear end. We ran into some problems in the front end. It took a little longer than expected. But today should be quick and dirty, in and out. We've already removed the top arm. Got the sway bar loose. Getting ready to drop the bolt on the strut in the rear and get it out. Somebody click on the compressor, please. I guess you gotta wait for the air to catch up. It's your toolbox. You don't need labels. You know where everything's at.
I put everything in there.
I'm doing this by hand. The body shop I have air and electric, so
Right.
I don't have to. I got ratchets and sockets, but most of the sockets are used by the air or electric impacts or ratchets. I don't like hand stuff anymore.
You trying to get it out or in?
I'm trying to get it back in
Oh.
because if I don't, it binds up. Aren't I a smart guy?
You're a real fart smeller, aren't you?
Oh, come on. Jesus. Are you kidding me?
No, it's serious.
A lot faster this time.
I got 40 miles in the Oh. What a big channel.
Now you put, I go opposite traffic. Traffic used to come this way, going that way.
Oh, okay, so you're
That's what it is on 23.
I used to work in fucking Hartford.
This is how you lift a Ford Explorer. I hope it was enough for you to understand. We didn't really go in depth into everything that we did. This is a new channel. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, like it, subscribe, comment, whatever you need to do. And thank you.
Yeah, whatever he said.
Ken doesn't want to say anything.
I really don't have anything to say.
This is my silent partner. The
Yeah.
brains behind the operation.
Alright, whenever you guys feel like it, go for it.
Well, you're the one that's got all the words.
Best YouTube channel ever.
Yes!
Okay, now you moved out of frame again.
Quit getting ripped out of the frame.
All right. Seriousness. How we do?
Thought this was the intro, not the outro.
Yeah, we're doing a 3-inch lift.
Yeah, this is before you do it.
It's already done.
Now we've trashed that. He's got to start over.
Well, no, he can cut out the 3-inch lift
He
part.
cuts and moves things, I'm hoping.
Just don't move things on yourself.
I do that on Tuesdays.